Very good morning to all students. In this video, I will explain the different parts of a flower with the help of hibiscus flower. This is the flower of hibiscus and the other name of this flower is China rose. What is flower? Flower is the reproductive part of a plant. It is the most attractive part of the plant. Now, what is reproductive part? Reproductive means to reproduce a new plant. The flower is basically attached to the stem with the help of stalk. This is a stalk, I already removed it. Stalk is also known as pedicel and the top part of this stalk is swollen and this portion is known as thalamus. This is a stalk. Now I explain the rest part of the flower with the help of this flower. This is the outermost part of a flower and it is known as sepals. They are generally green in color. I'll remove it one by one. Now these are the sepals and the function of these sepals is to protect the inner parts of a flower during its initial stage of growth when it is the bud. So basically it protects the flower when it is a bud. Now let's study rest part. The other part of a flower is petal. These are the petals, the most beautiful and colorful part of the flower. The function of these petals is to attract the insects for the process of pollination. Now I'll remove the parts of a flower. This part, petals. These are the petals. Stalk, petals, sepals. Now, a flower has male and female part. Yes, you heard right. In flower also there are male flower and female flower and some flower has both the part male and female and hibiscus has both the parts male and female. These are the stamens and these are the male part of the flower. The male part of a flower is stamen. These are the stamen. This is a stamen. It has two parts. The upper knob-like part is known as anther and a tube-like part is known as filament. Anther consists the pollen grains. So this is the male part of a flower. I'm putting it here. These all are the male part. Now let's study the female part. The female part of a flower is known as pistil and pistil has three parts. The topmost part, stigma, this is stigma, it is the topmost part and it receives the pollen grains. And the long tube, this red color long tube like structure is known as style. It connects stigma to ovary. The swollen base part is known as ovary. I'll show you the ovary. Ovary is present inside it. I'll show you. Yes. This is the ovary. It is a swollen base part. Inside the ovary, ovules are present. Ovules are the small bead-like structure. These are the ovules which are present inside the ovary. After the process of fertilization, the ovary converted into the fruit and these beads-like structure converted into the seeds. This is the male part. This is the male part, ovary. So, these are the parts of a flower stalk with the help of which the flower is attached to the stem. These are the sepals which protect the flower when it is a bud. These are the petals, the very beautiful part of the flower, and it attracts the insect. This is the male part of a flower. This is which are removed and it is known as stamen, and the female part of the flower is known as pistil. This is style. The topmost part of the style is known as stigma. Style connect stigma to ovary. This is ovary, the other part of the female, and inside it a bead-like structures are present which is known as ovule, and after the process of fertilization the ovary changes to fruit and ovule changes to seeds. So this is all about the parts of a flower. Thank you, students.